Hi friend, I am Sanjay. I hope all of you are good. In this video, I shall discuss on how to create central model in Revit. So without wasting any time, let's go. First of all, let me explain the difference between local file and central file. First, in local file, only one user can work in a single time. For central file, multiple users can work in a single time. Second, in local file, there are no workset concept. In central file, there are workset concept. Not only that, you can filter your model according to the workset. Third, in local file, there are only one option to save the file, like Ctrl S. In central file, there are many options to save the file. You can save your file or model by Ctrl S when saving the local model, by synchronize to the server, or by collaborate in cloud when you are working on a model online. First, user 1 will create the central model and will save the file to the server. Let me clear it. Server can be a PC also. If I have no server connection, then in that case, if I save central model to my own PC, then my PC will be acting as a server. After create the central model, close the central model by clicking relinquish all mine. Means you are leaving all the ownership permission, and open the same file as a create new local. So after this, one local file will create in your documents folder. You can local save the model, or you can synchronize your model. If you local save, then this update will be with you only, and if you synchronize this model, it means you are giving your update to the central model and taking the update from the central model also, if any update available in central model. If in case you want to load the latest update from the central model, then click reload latest. In that case, no updation will go to central model. So in this way, you can make bonding with central model to your local model. So in this way, central model can be open to the other user or PC also as a create new local, and other user also use synchronize, relinquish and reload latest tool to bond with central model. At the last, central model will be the most updated model as the all updates are coming to it. So that's why if client required any central Revit model, then always take central model for submission. Now let me open Revit. Save as the file to the suitable location. Then save. You can check this is workset edit area, and this is not editable unless this area active. This model is not central model. To create central model, go to collaborate, then click this collaborate tool. Here you have two options. One is within your network. It means if you have LAN connected network or internal laptop to laptop or computer to computer RJ45 cable connection, then this type of collaboration can work. The second is BIM 360 document management. It means many people can work in a single file online, but in that case you should have special permission from Autodesk, and you have to buy a membership from Autodesk. In my case, I have no such facility to show this option, and I am working within a laptop, and itself my computer will be acting as a server. So I am clicking within your network, then OK. You can check after this workset area have been activated. It means this file become central model in pre-state. Click workset. Here you should understand detailing. First is the name of workset. Suppose I will work on HVAC, plumbing, electrical, architecture and structure, etc. So I will create same name as per service. Otherwise, if in a same floor plan many peoples are working in the same time, then in that case you will have zone division in your plan view. So then you create workset as per username also. To coordinate the work in the better way. At the last, you can create any name. This is up to you. Then editable. For this option, yes means nobody can change or edit your drawn elements unless the user given the permission to edit. Now owner. For this option, many name Sanjay is showing, so it means only I can edit this element. If in editable, I keep yes option. Now for visible in all view option, check yes means all the element related to the workset will be visible in the model. This option specially used when you are working in a big size model file, then your computer is hanging or slowing down the performance. Then if you uncheck this option, your computer will boost the work efficiently and check only the required workset in which you are working. Let's make new workset. Let me name it HVAC. Then OK. You can check HVAC workset owned by me, editable by me, and visible to me also, as I create this workset. So only I can work in this workset. If I click no in the open area, then no issue. If I select no in editable area, the warning have come that synchronize required to make it no. In this way, let me create other worksets. Then during click OK, one warning have come. Need permission, can it make electrical workset active? But in the below you can check right now workset 1 is active. After click yes, you can check electrical workset now active. It means you can draw any model, it goes to electrical workset automatically. Now I am planning to click relinquish all mine, but you can check synchronize with central option is deactivate. It means central model have not done yet. So make it full share with other user. Go to file, click save as, click project. Then in option you can check make this a central model. After save option is now active but not editable, but no issue. Then click OK and save. You can check now synchronize with central model is now active. But to ensure this, go to file, click save as, again click project. Here you can check these folders like backup and Revit template are created automatically. Don't delete these files anyway, otherwise your model will not work properly. Then click option again. Now you can check make this a central model. After save is now active. Now check it and then OK. Then save. I can assure you now your central model is in full share with other user also. Now you can check synchronize is active, and in workset all the worksets are yes. In editable option, make open option also yes. Then click OK. Now click relinquish all mine. You can check all workset become in editable option no, and all my ownership Sanjay is disappears. So it means now all the user who are working in this model can work, edit and create any elements without my permission. Then click OK. Now synchronize this model. Then OK. Now let's make another Revit session. Click open. Browse the file. Now select the file. Here you can check blue tick is on. It means your central model is perfectly working. If you uncheck the create new local option, then open, it means you will open central model directly. If you click detach from central, then open, then your file will be completely detached from central, and then it will need new location to save, and you have to save this file again in the same way to make it central model. I will click create new local option as I need a local file to my computer. Let me check my document folder. Here only one local file for Twist Tower MEP Sanjay. As soon as I click open, you can check project test Sanjay Revit file is created automatically in my document folder. But check after the file name, my username also added. This is my local file with same name Sanjay is in the end, and this is the central model. There is no username assigned to the end of this file. Now let me draw some wall in this central model. And then synchronize. After this, do relinquish all mine if you no need ownership of this element. Then go to local file. Here do the synchronize. Then OK. You can check the last update wall from central model come to my local model. You can check the 3D also. Now I am making some ducts to the central model. Then do synchronize. Then OK. This time one warning has come. The warning shows that other users have saved changes to the central model. OK, now let me clear this issue. For your information, one user can only open one file, either central model or local model in same time. This time I have opened two files, one central file and another local file also. Both files are same, operated by one user named Sanjay, and Revit cannot do this. So no way, I have to undo the ducts and close the central model from my computer. For your information, someone will ask me that why you close central model by undo the work, and in that case we lose work. Yes, you are right, we lose our work, but my work was few ducts and I can make it again. But my suggestion will be always do your work in local file and at the end save the work to the central model by using synchronize tool. Now let me draw some duct. And synchronize. And at the last relinquish all mine. Now let me open another Revit and open the central model again. You can check the ducts from local file come to my central model. Let me draw some pipe in the central model. And do synchronize. And do the synchronize in local file also. Now the new pipe and new setting have come to the local file from the central file. You can check in 3D view also. Now if you delete one pipe and synchronize, you can check the same warning have come as I open the same file from local and central. So for save our work, I am deleting the same pipe in local model and synchronize the model. So all the latest update synchronized to the central model through local model. Now no need this central model and close this model as I open this central model to show you the update from local file. So this is my mistake to open central model again for working, but my suggestion will be always do your work in local file only and at the last synchronize your model. So this is only the local file which I have opened right now. This time I will show you the effect of username in Revit model. For this, to check username, go to the file, click option. Here in the general you can find the username Sanjay. Actually let me clear it why this is Sanjay, as my name is Sanjay. When I buy this laptop, install the Revit, that time I forget to change the Revit username. So from that time I am working in the same username. And for your information, Revit user name and your computer name, there are no relation between them. You can change both of them different up to your requirement, and the same username is showing in the documents file also. Now let me change it Sanjay instead of Sanjay. Let's see what happened. Then OK. Now do the synchronize the model again. You can check the project cannot be saved because the username you are using is not the same as the user who created the local file. So let me change the username again. Sanjay instead of Sanjay, then OK. Now do synchronize. This time I am able to synchronize this model to the central model. So before change your Revit username, always think about it. Maybe your many files cannot work or synchronize with the central model, and you will lose the bonding between central model and local model. Now make the model in wireframe mode. As the wall is half tone, change the discipline to the coordination. Then after you can select the all elements in the model. Now I will show you how to filter the workset in the visibility graphics. For this, go to View, click Visibility Graphics. Then in the filter, click Add. Then Edit New. Here create new filter, name HVAC Workset. Then OK. Here you have many options to select, but select check all, as all elements have common filter workset. Then select workset in the filter rules and select equal, and now select HVAC. Then OK. In the same way, create filter plumbing workset. Now select HVAC plumbing workset filter to add and then OK, and change the color for different filter to understand the changes. Then OK. You can check the colors are not reflecting in the plan as per workset. For this, select the elements related to HVAC system and change in the workset into HVAC instead of electrical. Now you can check all HVAC workset model color changes into green as I have given to the filter. For plumbing also, select and change. So colors are changing now. If you change any element workset, the color will change. So during modeling, check your current workset and model it. If in case any object or element is not in the proper workset, then the workset filter will be more complicated, and keep the proper services into proper workset. Filter the element easily, and this practice will help you during modeling and subdrawing. Now create workset for architecture. And put the walls into architecture workset and make filter for the same workset. Add it and color it. You can check this color is not working. Change into another color. Then also not working. If you add the same filter to the 3D view and change the color, it is working. So what is the issue here? Go to filter again. And in cut filter, change the color of line. Then OK. Wow, this is working now. So issue was this file when I create first time and select the template mechanical, and that is the issue. This wall is architecture element, and in this plan view entire wall is not visible. Some cut is viewing as per view range. That's why cut color is showing in the plan. And for 3D view the entire wall visible. That's why normal filter color was working. Now go to filter and for pattern select solid fill and make the suppose green color, then OK. You can check ducts are filled with green color. In the same way for plumbing and architecture also. You can check the effect of changes, and if you need different hatch for arch, you can check the effect of changes. In the same way, change the color of 3D elements in 3D view. Wow, this is awesome to look, but wall color is very odd. Change this into another color. Now good view. But compared to this coordinated model, this is nothing. I promise I will tell you the process of coordination and modeling in my upcoming video. So in this way you can filter the workset and play with it in Revit. This is very important for soft drawing and modeling in Revit. Now I will show you how to prepare a pre-used central model. Let me show you this twist tower MEP model, and I know this is central model, but you don't know about it anything. Consider I will give this central model to the client. For this, copy this model and keep it into new created for submission folder, and imagine this file goes to client and client need to work on the same file. And remember, during this file transferring process central model path have been changed. So now I will set the file for work and how check the process. Let me open new Revit. Copy the path and click open and paste the path, then open. If you click the file, you can check now create new local option is disabled, but detach from central is active but unchecked. It means this file is definitely central model, and due to change its location it cannot open as a create new local model. For more understanding, open a new Revit session. Click new, select suppose architectural template, then OK. and save the file name. For test, is it central or local model? Then save. Then close this Revit file. Unfortunately, I save it outside of for submission folder. Move the file to the for submission folder. Now the file is available. Now if you select the new created local file, you can check either detach from central or create new local. Both are deactive and you cannot select it. So it means this file is definitely a local file. Then click the twist tower MEP file. You can check the changes that now detach from central is active now. So it is central model. Now to set the file, click detach from central option, then open. Here is more important two option. First is detach and preserve workset, means this file will open by keeping the workset safe. And if you select detach and discard workset, means you will lose your workset from model, and inside the model there will be no workset when you will open this file. And then after opening the file, this will be like local model again. But I want workset to be in safe, so click first one, detach and preserve workset. You can check there are no background link view as we shift the file location. So to reload the link, go to insert, click manage link. Select first link, click reload from. Select the file, then open. In the same way, reload the other files. Then OK. You can check background Revit models are now visible to the plan view. Check the workset which I have been created before, and from here you can make any workset current active workset. You can model it, but till now synchronize is disabled. You can save it like this, but don't do it. Always go to file, click save as, click project. Then replace the saved model, and as always make this a central model after save is disabled. No issue. Click save. Click yes for replace. And you can synchronize this model two ways. First one, before save it will show the location of central model and save it. And second one will not show the central model path, it will directly save the model to the central model. But to ensure the central model, go to file again. This time in option check the make this a central model after save, then OK, and save now. At the last, relinquish all mine. Now you release all your permission to everyone. Then close the central model forever. And before create new local from documents, I will move the old location model to archive folder for ignoring the override the files as a backup. Now there are no file in the documents. Let's open the file by checking the create new local option, then open. Then as always the new local files have been created automatically with my username. So do your work in this local model and synchronize it after all work. So in this way you can work on a central model. definitely this video become more longer. Sorry for it, as I want to cover all the topic related to central model, and in this video I have tried to show the single user central model as I have no server access right now. In future definitely I will show you the multi-user central model. There is nothing new, only few message and trackle them only. I hope you like this video. For more video, please do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.